Hello, today's December 3rd, 2016. I'm going to change the order around a little bit. We're going to start with today's MEJT calls first. Early on it said ultimately higher prices would print, that this drop was false. They did print. It said the rally was false and that we would retrace, which we did, and the line here was resistance later. Said here higher prices would print, that move wouldn't stick, and we hit the target. I don't have any new MEJT targets, but this 2200.41 price remains within its preferred time frame through early Monday, and it remains the call through early Monday. This program has recently been updated, and it's available for a free 10-day trial for anyone who has TradeStation. You just have to go to the trading apps and search for MEJT, 10-day free trial on the updated software. Let's come back. We still have a 2200.41 target through early Monday. This was a price pattern which we said would typically rally into the close. The times were correct, but there's no rally into the close. When that happens, we have to recall that the following day's open can act as a surrogate for the prior day's close, which means if we do gap up and hit this target, or at least go over this high, that the normal tracing of the pattern will play out. So because of the daily pattern and because of this target, I think the most likely scenario is that we gap up sharply when we reopen Monday and hit this price here, at which point we hit resistance. If that works, I think we'll probably top out within 10 minutes or so of trading and then drop into the then we'll probably drop until there's about an hour into the trade, hour and a half into the trade. So we're looking for an early blip up and then for an hour and a half dropping. If we don't get that early blip up, we don't have to, anything can happen. This is a very negative formation and the odds are we're going to drop steeply. And we should know which of those two things will play out before the open. An immediate drop or a gap up, rally, and then drop. Well, let's look at the longer term picture. We're still on a combo sell signal from Tom DeMark. I'd like to see a more impulsive move on the downside, but it hasn't been invalidated yet. Here's the weekly giving a sequential sell 2. Strictly speaking, the close of number 12 was a bit less than the close of number 11, so it doesn't, strictly speaking, count, but the last 3 bars don't have to obey all the rules, and that's close enough for me. It's important because if this is going to be a significant signal, we should go under the close of number 8, which is 2175.03, within 3 bars, and here's number 1. The quicker you go under the quicker you go under that price and stay there, the more likely it is you're going to get a big drop. And the longer you piddle around on top of it, the less likely it is you'll get a big drop. So we've gone over the calls for Monday and to look for in the future. And we've also commented on the free trial for TradeStation users, and that's today's call.